as any another insect or animal. Honeybees are very important to our planet. Honeybees are one of the most important pollinators. They are the one who helps plants and flowers to grow. Bees transfer pollen from one flower or plant to another to form seeds and help them reproduce. These little bees are the one who allows us to enjoy fruits and vegetables that we consume. So this is your host what I have, and today in this video we're gonna learn few facts about honeybee. So without any further delay, let's get started right after this intro. Honeybees live in colonies. They are divided into three types of members. First is queen. This is the most important part of a colony. This is the one who runs whole hive. Her job is to lay eggs, which will spawn new generation of bees. She also produces pheromones, which guides the behavior of another bee in the hive. Second are workers. These are females, and their role is to collect nectar from flowers and building the hive and protecting it. The bees which we see flying around the hive are the worker bees. And third one are drones. These male bees are larger than the worker bees, and they do not have stingers, and they do not work. Their main purpose is only to mate. For making 1 pound of honey, these little honeybees have to gather nectar from 2 million flowers. One average bee has to fly somewhere around 144,840 kilometers or 90,000 miles, which equals to 3 times around the globe just for making 1 pound of honey. Honeybees are astonishing flyers. They fly at a speed of 25 km per hour or 15 miles per hour, and they beat their wings at 200 times per second. The buzzing sound that we hear is made by their wings, which beats at 11,400 times per minute. The queen bee can live up to 5 years and is only bee in the colony which lays eggs. During the summer, she is most busy, and at her prime, she can lay up to 2,500 eggs per day. An average worker bee lives just for 5 to 6 weeks. During this period, bee will make around 1/12 of a teaspoon of honey. During a collection trip, a honeybee visits up to 50 to 100 flowers. Once a honeybee finds a good source of nectar, it flies back to its hive and shows the position of the flower to its bee friend by performing a dance towards the flower in relation to the sun. It's known as waggle dance. A honeybee has 170 odorant receptors. This means they've got one serious sense of smell. They use this ability to recognize different types of flowers when looking for food. When a queen bee dies, workers will make a new queen by selecting a young larva and then feeding it a special food called royal jelly, which makes young to develop into a fertile queen. Honeybees are the only insects which produces food eaten by man, which is honey.